I'm the owner, but I do this for you. That's how we do it. They like that. Yeah. I got the concept from everyone that this is the sandwich to get.
Hi, Rebecca. You gonna do your thing? Are you gonna do your thing? Ooh, Sadie's very sleazy.
Did you really eat that much from me that she's not hungry? And she slept for 5 hours. Well, I mean, it's 5 hours between feeds.
Whatever it is, she's not eating it. There you go. There you go. Throw those muscles.
My favorite thing about the is the smile of our customers or their head numbing when they take the full bite of sandwich. There is a better sandwich, there is a better.
Yes, I know there's a little milk dripping from your mouth, but it's just a little bit, so we'll leave it. Yeah, though, look at those. Yeah, there you go. Oh, good job. Oh, yeah. Boom. Yes. There you go. There you go. Alright, enough showing. Yeah. You want to look into the camera? You want to look into the camera? There we go. We'll do that. There you go. Can you wave to everybody? Can you wave? Yay! We've got a baby. We got to do stupid stuff. There you go.